Okay, this is a tutorial for the small group, the harmony parts for A Million Dreams. And we're going to be starting at the bridge, solo 5, however big, however small. They start out by singing it, and we will join in. I'll be singing only the harmony part for the small ensemble. Pay good close attention. Here we go. So Gianna's singing the solo. We're about to do the ooze. World you see, eyes to see, eyes to see. Solo 6 sings her part. Then we're about to come in with the echo. A million dreams, I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. That's in unison with everyone else. All right? If we could do that, that would be amazing. Good luck with it, guys.